How to get 20% off Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, as this is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Once we're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 15% off, $30 off, 25% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account. Browse through the menu and select the items that you want to order. Once you're in the checkout page, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can head back. You can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers for Uber Eats. To grab any of the offer, you have to apply same exact steps. Likewise, head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to 20% off Uber Eats working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.